So now that I've fixed that lip that has been pulled out, unfortunately we can't do anything about any damage that was caused by the tyre pulling it down. And now I'm going to roll that under. Okay, now we've rolled the guard. Guard rolling, people everything. And now we've rolled the guard. Quite often people think that guard rolling is all about pumping out the guard, but it's not. This is a guard, or a fender, really is what that is. And this is a lip of the fender, or the guard. And this little lip is the part that we roll, yeah? So it's not rolling out, it's rolling up. Pumping is where we're pushing on it from the inside and then pushing it out, or pumping it out. Anyway, that one's fixed, it ain't gonna roll anymore.